Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for joining me, and if you're new here, welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell if you want to be notified of more of my videos. As usual, I've already buffed these tips and I'm going to apply this base coat on all 5 of them. And it's just a good idea to always use a base coat, not so much if you're just doing nails like this and it's just for the video's sake, but it's a good habit to stay in. If you work on clients or you do them on yourself, it helps. So starting out, I'm going to use this beautiful green, but I want to dim it down just a little bit. Um, it's just a little too bright. I'm going to be using this color on the middle finger, the index finger, and the ring finger on part of those nails, and then I'm just going to do a full cover on the pinky. I thought that this particular glitter polish would be perfect for the green because it does have a lot of green glitter in it, along with some other colors. It's just so pretty, and I was right. It looks really, really cool on these nails. I would probably just wear the green with this glitter by itself on another set. It'd be awesome. Uh, so I'm just starting out thick at the bottom. This is very simple, no real strategy to it. Thicker at the bottom, and then you'll see I use my little cleanup tool, just any old brush will do, to pat the glitter up the nail, and just go thinner and thinner and thinner as you go upward, and then stop where you want it to stop. It's pretty easy. The green part is done. Now I'm going to move on to the orange, and I love this orange, but it's a little bit dark. So I'm going to mix some colors to brighten it up a little bit so that it goes a little bit better with the, well, a lot better with the green. I wanted to use a glitter that had more orange in it and more yellows than it does green, and this one here is a mix that I made a long time ago. I could not tell you what I put in it, but there's some copper and some yellow and orange and just a lot of colors. So I thought it was perfect for this, and I'm just mixing it into some clear top coat, and then I'll be patting it on as an ombre onto the thumb and doing it in more solid on the other nails. These are a bit bumpy for my liking. It's just because of the glitter polish and the glitter that I used. So I'm just going to put a layer of top coat, no wipe top coat on these, and that way they'll be nice and smooth for the design. For the lines of the pumpkin, when I do that detail, I thought that the black was just a little too extreme, so this beautiful, beautiful milk chocolate colored brown was perfect. It was a little too light by itself, but mixed with the black, it ended up being a perfect color. now it's time to put some bling on these and brighten them up a little bit. I'm just going to show you this one. I'm using these beautiful light green, kind of peridot looking. Um, I have two greens, dark and this. And the dark just didn't look quite right. It wasn't the right green that I was going for. So I think I need to invest in a little bit more green variety gems. Hopefully I'll do that soon. There they are, all finished. I think they're absolutely adorable. I didn't want to do just a regular pumpkin. I just kind of wanted to have it look more like an idea of a pumpkin, I guess you'd say. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. And if you want to leave me a comment or ask me a question, please do so. I love the comments. I love to hear from you guys, and I don't mind answering any kind of questions you might have.